In the topic of Google Ads today, we will teach how you create call extensions and also how you can be able to add the call asset to your ad. So you can add it, set it, and then create it. Look, if you want to be able to generate the leads from Google and want customer inquiries from Google, then you want the customers to call and you want to get the lead through a call, because call ads have been proven to be very beneficial for many businesses. They get an instant response, talk to a customer instantly, and the process is shortened. So then many businesses mostly prefer that if the customers see the ad, then they should be calling about it right away, so that a deal is arranged faster and business comes sooner. So for that, how do you add call extensions to your Google Ads? And how? You can use call asset. We'll learn that practically. Like here, I have this account open. Here in the campaign section, there is an option for assets. When we click on that, we will see assets and videos. I will click on assets. When I click on assets, then I will be taken to the assets page. And here I will click on create asset. When I click on create asset, I will be taken to the site link page. And then options like callouts, structure snippets, call, lead forms will appear. So we have explained about site links, and now I'll tell you about call extensions, as it is very important. Extension and asset. So basically, when any ads which was created by us starts showing, and here I will be showing you a real example, like if someone searched for something on Google. So here this is the site link. Now how is the call asset going to look like? Let us check that again once. The ad is not showing here as of now. So let's try to type it once again. Okay. So as you can see here, as we scroll this ad that is running here, this has an option for a call. And when the customer will click, they'll directly call the business. So in the same way, you can also add a call extension to your ad. And you can also create your own assets for this. You don't need to choose the account in Google Ads. You need to create it at the campaign level. Click on it. So you need to add it to the campaign that you've already created. And so then you can choose that particular campaign. Or you can even create the assets. And you can also use them multiple number of times. So then here, I am now going to be choosing the lead option. And I will be choosing any campaign. I'm just doing a dummy run to show you and explain the feature here. But then later we'll teach you how to create full campaigns practically using Google Ads. The way we do for it our clients in our agency, in that we will also teach you all these things practically during the campaign creation process. But to not make this difficult to understand, we are practically doing the campaign creation process. And I choose campaign, then create new. We won't use an existing one, we'll create a new one. Here we'll choose our country, India. So you can even choose whichever country you are in for this option. So I will be choosing India. So now here we will select. I have chosen India. You can put in your own phone number or whatever number you want to put in here. I have put in a phone number here. As soon as I did that, you see in this way. The call option is below this ad. This is the ad and the option is below. Now here, settings for the call from ad. So you can let it stay as it is by default. So here you don't need to do anything now. Then why is the advanced option coming up? It is coming up as look every day and then every single time. So your communication person is not available, like if the customer is clicking on the call at 12 or 1 in the morning. And if you're getting a call outside office hours, or you're available on a Sunday, or if you're not available, so you need to set the days when you are available here. What days are you available and at what times? You will need to set that so that no other option for calls will appear here. And this will be then ensuring that the customer will not get a bad impression about you, and your resources will also not be wasted either. So friends, you will be able to set everything up in these simple steps here as soon as you will finish saving. And so now your call asset will be completely created. And so this is how it is going to be visible. Like I showed you, so it's that simple. Now in this way that I showed you here, so you can create different set of extensions and assets. And whatever I am teaching now, you will also have to keep practicing it. As the more you will be practicing all these regularly, the better your expertise in the Google Ads will continue to grow. Thank you.